guys, I need to check on something. Thumbs up and crack your thumbs up.
What did you get today, Langston?
This is BRIO.
So cool.
Where does this come from?
And you got some new trains.
I don't know what thing is this. I can see this.
So cool.
You didn't like this?
Yep. And this piece is cool.
Look at this. You can do this and this and this. Huggy wuggy. You know what's huggy wuggy? Huggy wuggy. That's singing to the song is like huggy wuggy, huggy wuggy. Look at it, guys. Look at this.
Wow, Langston, this track is really coming together. I see all of your new pieces in here.
Guys, this is the only one. There's 2 pieces left to net.
Okay.
I do this switcher.
Switcher. Langston, this is awesome. So now we're gonna try our new pieces out with our new BRIO trains.